African prince, yeah. Benzeno. Oh no, oh yeah. Nothing can stop me, I'm an it move. I know myself, I got the better cruise. All of my nigga got the entire move. I'm gonna flow with the beats, look it, that and smooth. I'm gonna be a star, I never be a loser. I shoot myself up together like desire. We could understand just the way I'm going now. I'm top of the world now, never going lower. Not by the power, not by the strength. The spirit in me keep lifting me. I never knew I got that day where I did. I'm so surprised too. Oh. I'm at my ways. And I wanna cross my lane. I'm at the day. Every day is a brand new day. Ooh, if you come my way, I cannot afford them all to stay. I'm gonna build my way. Every day is a brand new day. Ooh yeah, I'm at my ways. And I wanna cross my lane. I'm at the day. Every day is a brand new day. Don't wanna me when I cannot afford telephone. On the street I keep my face, no one wanna show. All the ladies and gents, no one wanna help. Oluwa carry me forever, me I wanna blow. Don't wanna me when I cannot afford telephone. On the street I keep my face, no one wanna show. All the ladies and gents, no one wanna help. Oluwa carry me forever, me I wanna blow. Now I don't blow. Carry my names and wicked don't show. All other guys, my kitchen don't close. Thank God, my logo don't blow. Now I don't blow. Carry my names around wicked don't show. All other guys, my kitchen don't close. Thank God, Africa Prince don't show. No one know me when I cannot have a telephone. On the street, I keep my face, no one wanna show. All the ladies and gents, no one wanna help. Oluwa carry me forever, me I wanna blow. No one know me when I cannot have a telephone. On the street, I keep my face, no one wanna show. All the ladies and gents, no one wanna help. Oluwa carry me forever, me I wanna blow. Now I don't blow. Carry my names around wicked don't show. All other guys, my kitchen don't close. Thank God, my logo don't blow. Now I don't blow. Carry my names around wicked don't show. All other guys, my kitchen don't close. Thank God, Africans don't blow.